All right, good evening. Judy Allen here, also known as Nana with Zoe and Nana Stamping. And Zoe is not here. She is out being a beach bum. So we have Aunt Jennifer stepping in today for Zoe and Nana because we're going to be opening the box. The July Sending Good Thoughts Kit is the name of it. Paper Pumpkin Kit. Double checking. It is late at night, so you guys don't check me.
Yeah.
Even in the morning, you have to check me.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're going to open the box. Let's see what's in the box, because on Sunday, we're going to be live at 4 p.m., where we will make at least one of each card in the kit. And we also give away door prizes on Sunday as well. So be sure, if you haven't done so yet, to do a like, an emoji, make a comment, anything that we can sit there and put your name in the drawing when we do that on Sunday. All right? So that we're going to go down to the... Am I going to open the box, or you can open the box?
I can open the box.
You can open the box?
I've never opened the box.
All right.
Well, I can easily open the box.
All right. We'll let you open the box, and I get to look over your shoulder and hands. How's that sound? All right? All right. Let's go down to the hands then. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right. So let's see. Well, I want to know here. Are we swapping places, or what are we doing?
No. I got long arms. I got this. I got this.
Well, as long as I get to see. As long as I get to see.
Yes,
All right.
All right. Let's
see what you got here.
All right. We got a nice celebration and everything. Ooh, there's next.
Whoa. I want to see that. I want to see that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm going to keep that box for sure. Sweet sunflowers. That is very pretty. Yeah. That's next month.
Yeah, that's next month.
But if you want it, you have to give out August 10th.
Yeah, August 10th.
That's
you
right.
liking what you see?
That's right.
August 10th. You have to subscribe for that to get that particular box. Okay, what did these bad boys say? I don't have any glasses on.
Either, but I see a ship.
I do see a ship, which you know.
I see a starfish.
A starfish.
Wait, what else? Let's see.
That's a seahorse.
Seahorse. Okay, I'm sorry. And it's like,
yeah, no, starfish right there.
Okay, and so it looks like some waves.
Yeah, some waves or something.
Okay.
Oh, bubbles.
Some
bubbles. There we go.
Wow, okay.
So you got some Bermuda Bay going on right here.
Ooh,
that's always a fun color.
All right.
I'll put that aside for you guys.
All right, let's see. Oh, I'm going to have to grab some scissors there.
Okay.
Oh, we got some string in here.
Oh, I can't get it. I have no nails.
Oh,
there you go.
Ow, you just ripped a hole through the paper. I cannot believe you did that.
Well,
ooh, I'm telling Zoe on you.
Uh-oh. That's my,
She'll be going like, I cannot believe you ripped that paper.
Yeah, I get that from...
Think about it.
I think I get that from my dad a little bit.
You think?
I rip over packages and stuff like he does, so... My bad.
I'm telling you, you're bad. Really
I know.
bad.
Don't tell my mom.
Yep.
Don't want her coming after me.
Oh, my gosh. Yeah, I like these up all night things, really. Oh, my gosh. Here, let's get that plastic off.
All right.
Yeah, don't throw that away.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's instructions.
Oh,
looky there. Ooh, looky there.
All right. So we have some nice.
Is that purple?
Nice little, like lavender. I'm not sure if they tell you the name is.
Tell me these colors.
We've got some bottles going on here.
Oh, that'll do your bottle punch.
Yeah, I have a bottle punch that you can put little beads in.
Yeah.
Almost like a blackish gray. I would say heather gray or heather black. For all those people who like black out there, you know, you get charcoal.
No, it says the coordinate colors are balmy blue, basic gray, Bermuda Bay, fresh freesia, Pacific Point, and Poppy Parade. Okay, wow, okay.
So we got our little bit of taggy tags.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, looky there. Oh, my gosh.
And then we got some seagulls.
Well, that's where that Poppy Parade's coming from.
If you come down to, South Texas and to the beach area, they call them beach chickens instead.
Seagulls. All right.
Seagulls. Beach chickens.
Mm-hmm. I'm not eating them.
Oh, I'm not eating them either, but,
you can beach chickens all you want, but I'm not eating them.
Seahorse and stuff. So we got those.
Wow.
So
do we have any other ones in there?
Ooh, I've got some more stuff down here. I just put a bunch of stuff on top. Ooh, get some nice little texture. It's just like blue.
Wow, okay.
That's really cool. That's really pretty.
Like a decorative cardstock?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But it also is elevated.
You can feel it embossed. Is it like embossed?
There you go, embossed.
Oh wow.
It's late at night. I don't remember what anything's called anymore.
Okay. Oh, that's very nice.
There you go, sky.
Ooh, that's
some nice ridges
embossing.
and stuff. Yeah, embossing.
It almost looks like watercolor that they've done on it. You know, it's almost the way the paper's done and all.
Yeah,
Yeah, look
so.
there.
Yeah, because I know, because it reminds me, you got a little bit like a spray paint going on a little bit.
I was going to say, yeah, what does it got on the edge? Yeah, I was looking at that.
Yeah, so it's all the clouds and stuff on it. Let's see, there you go. She kind of show it off. There you go.
It's on the show off, yep.
Yeah, nice little ripple effect in the water. And then it looks like somebody tried to do a mermaid tail. Oh. You guys got some mermaids going on in here. Something.
That's got a
water.
But, you know, that looks like watercolor, too. See how the
granulant?
Yeah.
Is that granuating or whatever?
Gradient.
Gradient. There you go. See, we know words.
Yeah.
Together we make the dictionary.
Right, combined. But look at the envelopes. Oh, let me see what I have to play with on the envelope.
Yeah, no, that's what I was like, see.
Oh, they're nice and blue, though. The outside is. Mm-hmm. All right, so there's nothing on the inside, but opportunities on the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
this Nana likes to think about those envelopes. I really like the stamp. I really like this ship, too.
I think it's so that you can put it in the bottle.
Put a ship in the bottle? No, that makes sense.
In the bottle.
Yeah. Will it fit? Yeah, it will. And all of them? Oh, my gosh. But not that one.
No, not that. A message goes in the bottle.
A message goes in that bottle. Okay, well, we'll have to wait till Sunday to see what we're going to make, because we always make, let's see how many cards. They've got 3 cards, so we know we made 3, and we'll do one alternative. So people will have to wait till Sunday to see what we're going to do.
Yeah.
Even we have to wait till Sunday to see what we're going to do.
Yeah, always a lively moment.
Right, never any dull moments. All right. Well, there you go. Let's see here. Back to us getting out of here. So we hope you enjoyed that and look forward to Sunday.
Sunday, 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock p.m. where we make the 3 designs that are in the kit. Central Time. And we'll make one alternative.
Yep.
All right. Other than that, we'll say good night, goodbye, and look forward to seeing you Sunday at 4. Bye.
Bye.